watch the good guy who'll be holding up the dead guy.
Uh-oh, human anatomy. Oh, huge.
Fucking bitch. Oh, I just do it. Fucking all die.
Huge forearms. What I'm working on right now is the plywood cutout that sits behind this endeavor. So we know that if the bullets do happen to go through, that they don't make it to the plywood, and we don't count them as lethal. Oh, heroic proportions. Yeah. Heroic legs.
And finally, to give the shooter a taste of action movie authenticity, Brian rigs a remote control return fire system for the plywood good guy.
Deadliest use of a wiper motor ever.
Coming up on Goo Gone Wild,
Wow, we're really good at this. If this doesn't work out, we go to clown school.
the TNT party wraps up with a countdown.
Hey, 3, 2, 1.
Is the mysterious material oobleck really bomb-proof? To investigate, John and Brian have hit the desert. A perfect location to cause a commotion.
We're here at Caravan West Ranch, and this is a beautiful, isolated spot. Exactly what we need for some explosions. This is custom made for a boom.
So, where are we at? Well, we played with oobleck back in the shop to see its non-Newtonian properties. Then we put that oobleck to the test against air and water, and it actually seems to reduce some of that blast force. But now it's time to put it to the ultimate test in a high-speed explosive to see if oobleck is actually bomb-proof.
The blast point. For the first time on Mythbusters, we're going to be using a combination of nitromethane and aluminum powder.
Yeah.
It's a two-part explosive used for demolition, and when you combine those two, you get a blast over 21,000 feet per second. That is one heck of a high explosive.
Pressure sensor.
In the pipe. Well, we want to get the best data from our blast, and to do that, we're going to use these pressure sensors.
Right.
I can't hear you.
You're hot. Oh, that's what called over. How's it looking?
Oh, the dark pipe. Sensitive from all the way in the micro PSI range all the way to 5,000 PSI. But the cable itself needs to be protected from the blast. One more? A little flat. Can you go sharp on it? We're going to bury these sensors, run the cable through a pipe laid in the trench behind us.
Hey, Brian, want to see a trick?
Yeah?
Here we go. Come on. Let's drop her in.
That's the expensive, sensitive electronic instrumentation. And these are analog pressure sensors, or the water balloons.